This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to use a percussion gun on your hand. This can help with hand and thumb pain. You want the smallest attachment. Turn it on like so and focus on the spot right here. This is a super common trigger point. All you need to do is hang out here. You can move it along this whole muscle like so. Do this for 2 to 5 minutes, and if you're not sore, you can do this a few times a day. For example, before and after work. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, you know to do all the things. Reach out if you have any questions.